We have introduced a range of enhancements for customers who work in inch units, bringing more clarity and precision throughout the quoting process. These updates are designed to make working in inches easier, faster, and more consistent from the moment you import a part to the point you send a final quotation. When inch conversion is ticked under the My Company tab, the system will now prompt you to reopen the settings page so the changes can be applied correctly. This ensures all settings are aligned before you begin quoting. Under Material, Sheets, you can now add sheet sizes in inches, including sheet length, width, thickness, and feed rate in inches per minute, along with sheet border and rapid speed values. The Miscellaneous section also allows you to create standard sheet sizes in inches for future use. With inch conversion enabled, any part imported in inches will be automatically converted, ensuring accuracy from the start. In the Part List tab, you can select material thickness in inches, and when editing multiple parts, apply thickness in inches to all of them at once. The Nesting tab now allows sheet selection in inches, as well as setting sheet margin and part spacing in inches, keeping measurements consistent across all stages. The Quotation PDF now displays part sizes and thickness in inches, giving your customers a clear and accurate representation of what is being quoted. For users working in inches, these improvements remove the need for manual conversions, reduce the risk of errors, and save valuable time. By streamlining the process, you can now work entirely in your preferred measurement system, improve communication with customers, and ensure every quote is delivered with complete accuracy and clarity.